If I were to ask you, how many cars do you think a used car dealership can sell in 1 year? What would you say? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Monday. It's actually not too bad of a start to the week. AMC, for those that are actually paying attention to AMC today, is now beginning to trade above $38 a share, teeter-tottering in between 38 to 37.90, up a little bit over $1,000. I have 1,500 shares. Wanted to update you guys on my position. Same thing with TQQQ. Really nice gap up. It was up nearly 1.5% today. Pulled back just a little bit. But what I want to talk about is how many of you guys like when I make oversold or cheap stock videos? If you do, please make sure you absolutely destroy the like button so I can continue to make these videos. What I want to talk about today is I added a new stock to my watch list, and this is CARVNA, CVNA. CARVNA in 2020 alone, one of the worst times, right? 2020 in the year, sold over 244,000 vehicles, making it the second largest used car dealership in the United States. Pretty insane, right? And if you guys don't know what CARVNA and how they structure out their business, everything is online, which is pretty impressive, right? CARVNA might look a little weird on the 4-hour time frame. If you take a step back, how beautiful does this look? On the day chart, I have three things that every stock has to meet for it to be a stock that I potentially want to invest in. This is not necessarily a day trade, of course, because I don't expect CARVNA to recover right away, but I like to focus on three things. Consistency, a stock that is bullish over a long period of time, meaning indicating signs of an uptrend. And the last thing is a deal. How many people like to overpay? I know I don't, right? And with CARVNA and how it recently pulled on back, check this out. We're going to use the little trendline tool here on the Webull trading platform. From where we're at right now to previous highs, that's over a 30% ROI. Now, if we just return to 350, which is a more common resistance level, that's 22%. Still over 10 to 15%. So there's no such thing as a perfect trade. So even though that the potential might be 30%, even if I make 10 or 15%, I would be very happy. But most importantly, one of the things that we always like to say is patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. I like that CARVNA recently pulled on back. It's at a potential support level. MACD, RSI, everything is looking good based off of previous lows, but it's not indicating signs of an uptrend. So what did I do? I added it to my oversold watch list. I set an effective alert, and once and if it begins to indicate signs of an uptrend of an established support level, and literally, for those that are going to be asking, well, what are you looking for? I want CARVNA to do exactly what it did back in 5/18/2021, where it became oversold, it broke above EMA, and then consistently began to indicate signs of an uptrend and make higher highs and higher lows above the EMA line. I like to keep things simple, and it is so much easier when you put your money in stocks that are indicating signs of growth. So all I need CARVNA to do is now begin to trade above the EMA line, which is right now currently at 304. So you can let me know in the comment section what you think about CARVNA. It's an oversold stock based off of previous lows. It's bullish and it's consistent. Would this be a stock that you would potentially see value in? You can let me know in the comment section. Again, it's agree to disagree. We all see value in different ways, and I'm always here to encourage you and empower you to, stay true to that, right? The last thing that I do want to cover is right now, the NASDAQ market. If you guys look at this on the 4-hour time frame, we're at a critical point. We're at the SMA line. We're at the moving average. We're at a critical point where we've been rejected around this area before. So this upcoming week might be a big week where we're going to potentially begin to indicate signs of a recovery, breaking above 15,000 on the NASDAQ index. And or if we get rejected, then we're headed back to previous lows, making lower highs and lower lows. I just wanted to make sure that I don't always just talk about the upside, but of course, talk about the potential of the downside, as there is two sides to every opportunity. So you can let me know in the comment section what you are doing to prepare if the market pulls back and or if it begins to recover. So I hope that I earned your thumbs up in this video. Friendly reminder, if you guys haven't checked out the Wall Street Bull statue, this is obviously a necessity for your trading setup. But totally kidding. If you guys want to check this out, it's now available on our Shop TechBuds site. And again, that is that third link down in the description if you want to go ahead and check it out. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.